Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So structure, that is subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing. Subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing. For ing, what is the reason? Because we know work, running, activity is going on. That's mean must be ing. For present auxiliary verb, be verb is am, is, a, and for this is past, so auxiliary verb will be was and were, because be verb past from was, were. Then now we will take subject with I always was. If subject third person singular number, that time also was, and others will be were. Now one thing I want to share, just remember it. You will have the class about this. That is with some verb. We can't use ing from. That is called stative verb. Like few minutes ago, I asked Naima ma'am that আমরা দেখা করছিলাম. We are meeting. So with meet, we don't use ing. For speaking, for communication, we can use, but actually in grammatical way, we don't use ing. So with few verb like want, meet, find, then forget. So Naima ma'am, আমরা দেখা করছিলাম. I was meeting or we were meeting. Actually meeting and ing, it's not possible. But for communication, people use. I was not going. আমি যাচ্ছিলাম না.
I was not going. আমি যাচ্ছিলাম না।
We were not going. আমরা যাচ্ছিলাম না.
We were not going. আমরা যাচ্ছিলাম না।
You were not going. তুমি যাচ্ছিলে না.
You were not going. তুমি যাচ্ছিলে না।
You were not going. তোমরা যাচ্ছিলে না.
You were not going. তোমরা যাচ্ছিলে না।
They were not going. তারা যাচ্ছিল না.
They were not going. তারা যাচ্ছিল না।
He was not going. সে যাচ্ছিল না.
He was not going. সে যাচ্ছিল না।
She was not going. সে যাচ্ছিল না.
She was not going. সে যাচ্ছিল না।
It was not going. এটা যাচ্ছিল না.
It was not going. এটা যাচ্ছিল না।
Rana was not going. রানা যাচ্ছিল না.
Rana was not going. রানা যাচ্ছিল না।
My friend was not going. আমার বন্ধু যাচ্ছিল না.
My friend was not going. আমার বন্ধু যাচ্ছিল না।
I was not watching. আমি দেখছিলাম না.
I was not watching. আমি দেখছিলাম না. We were not watching. আমরা দেখছিলাম না. You were not watching. তুমি দেখছিলে না. You were not watching. তোমরা দেখছিলে না. They were not watching. তারা দেখছিল না. He were not watching. সে দেখছিল না.
He was not.
He was not watching. সে দেখছিল না. She was not watching. সে দেখছিল না. It was not watching. ইহা দেখছিল না। রানা was not watching. রানা দেখছিল না। My friend was not watching. আমার বন্ধু দেখছিল না।
So what would be the sentence? আমি দেখাচ্ছিলাম না. I
I
was not showing.
I was not showing.
Show mean দেখানো. So আমি দেখাচ্ছিলাম না. I was not showing. তারা খাচ্ছিল না.
They were not eating.
অর্ক স্যার.
No.
So it will for you it will be wait.
I was not waiting. আমি অপেক্ষা করছিলাম না। We were not waiting. আমরা অপেক্ষা করছিলাম না। You was not waiting. Ma'am, when you was singular, then was or were?
For third person singular number. For third person singular number it will be was. So you, is it third person?
You were not waiting, right? You were not waiting. তোমরা অপেক্ষা করছিলে না। They were not waiting. তারা অপেক্ষা করছিল না। She was not waiting. সে অপেক্ষা করছিল না। He was not waiting. সে অপেক্ষা করছিল না। It was not waiting. ইহা অপেক্ষা করছিল না। Rana was not waiting. রানা অপেক্ষা করছিল না। My friend was not waiting. আমার বন্ধু অপেক্ষা করছিল না।